And unfortunately, in the month of April, my father had an MI, heart attack. And then in the month of May, I had a problem with my left eye.
And did your clinical experience in India itself, did it help with the prep?
And each and every lecture I've attended, and then I had my own notes. I made my own notes, and I did my every MCQs. So
Hello, this is Academically Global. My name is Jaspreet, and with me right now is Dr. Kathyani. Many congratulations on clearing the AMC exam, Dr. Kathyani.
thank you so much.
So how is the feeling?
It's a bit overwhelming though, but I'm very happy. Yeah, because all of my hard work has paid off at right time. I'm just very happy. That's it.
At the right time, by that you mean you had any plans in mind?
Yeah, because actually I was supposed, or actually my earlier plan was, I was planning to write in the month of March 2025. And then we lost one of our dearest family member. She's very close to us. So that shook me. And then I was planning to write on May then. And unfortunately, in the month of April, my father had an MI, heart attack. Yeah, and then I thought, okay, fine, I can just go on. I was very confident at the time also. Then I thought, okay, then June will be fine, or June ending, or July must be the date, I thought. And then in the month of May, I had a problem with my left eye. So I couldn't see suddenly. I was actually doing my grand test, and then my vision got distorted. So I took some laser surgeries and some intravitreal injections also. So then, so everything got hold at that time. So I didn't study for 2 months, and then I started again in the month of August, September, and October. I thought November would be the last thing I have to, I have to pass in November. That's what I thought. So finally, I did it.
And this means a lot actually. And the fact that you pulled yourself together after all of that
So many things, yeah.
is the greatest. I think that's an even greater achievement than just clearing the exam, and your dedication has finally paid off.
Yeah.
Uh, many congratulations to you.
Thank
Uh,
you.
how did you prepare for the exam? How was the process? How did you structure the entire plan?
Actually, yeah, I've enrolled on offline classes, and each and every lecture I've attended, and then I had my own notes. I made my own notes, and I did my every MCQs. So from the MCQs and from the guidelines, I made another notes, for a quick review. And then recalls also helped me a lot. Just revision, you have to revise a lot. That's what I thought. It's about all about memory. Yeah, lots of revisions, making notes, and MCQs really helped.
Did you take a 3 month break for the exam prep? I thought you said something like that, or were you also working alongside while
No,
you were
no, no.
preparing?
Actually, before that, I wanted to do that because I really wanted to do parallel things. But once I got to know about this Australian medical system, I thought, I should really focus how this Australian medical things works, so that I don't want to get confused with the Indian medical system at the same time. So, which is why I also wanted to take a break from everything, only to focus on AMC. So that's what I did. Yeah.
And did your clinical experience in India itself, did it help with the prep?
Yeah, it's very, yeah, my basics are very strong actually. Right after my MBBS, I've started working in corporate medical hospital, and then that's for 2.5 years. And then for another 2.5 years, I worked in a central defense system as a medical officer. So I had experience in both private and government sectors also. And yeah, it pretty much helped me.
Totally. Also, like most cases that we hear are about people who have juggled two roles I mean, they have been working, they have been studying and so much. But in
Yes.
your case, I think the journey is very different. But you were still juggling, right? There
Yeah.
were a lot of emotions and your own health as well. So
Yeah.
how did you manage and how did you actually, get the motivation to keep going? That okay, this is
I
what I have
think
to do.
yeah, a lot of support has come from my family. That they have played huge part. My husband, my parents, my sister, my mother-in-law, everybody, they prayed for me, and I also it took just 1 or 2 days, to come back to my normal self. And I used to read a lot of books, so at that time, so I just kept motivating myself. That's it. That's what kept me going on. And I was chill about it actually. I didn't feel any bad. So I accepted and I just moved on. That's it.
So it's like life will keep happening. I still
Yeah,
have to do
yeah.
what
We
I have
have
to
to
do.
do. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Doesn't matter. So you're very brave, and that's such a strong story, the story of strength that you've shared with us, Dr. Katyani.
Thank you.
Many, many congratulations once again from the entire
Thank
team.
you. Thank
And
you.
we just hope that you share, more good news with us in the coming times.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. This is just a beginning. That's what I think. I have to do a lot. So, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. All the very best.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.